What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KD. I'm back on my gaming slash tech channel, and we got a brand new unboxing for y'all. I bought a brand new softbox for my setup because I want my setup to be legit. I want it to be professional. I want great lighting, all that stuff I care about. So what you're about to see is my brand new softbox unboxing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it together and we're gonna put it over in the setup right over here, which a setup tour is coming soon. As soon as I finish decorating my office, I'll do a setup tour for you guys. And if you don't know, I do have a second channel. It's called KD Uncensored, and over there I post vlogs and all that fun stuff. I actually just posted a video. I'm gonna link it right here so you guys can go ahead and go check that out for me. I appreciate you. Yeah, so let's get straight into this unboxing. I know it's not in her. So first, we have a white box. Alright. Inside this white box is the actual light for my softbox. Beautiful, beautiful. There it is, the actual light. And then put that back here. We also have the remote. There it is. Hold up, focus camera. There you go. We also have the remote here. That's what was in the white box. Next, we have, I'm gonna assume this is the stand. Let's see. Oh no, this is the umbrella. Okay, the umbrella and the diffuser. Yup. I'm gonna set all this up for y'all so y'all can see what it looks like. We have a carrying bag. Keep it organized. Carrying bags to keep it all nice and organized. And then we have, this is a stand. This has to be the stand. This light is called Yaiko. I'll put the link down in the description on where I got it from on Amazon so that you guys can go cop it as well. This light only cost me, I want to say about $39, $36, $39. I also got it when it was on sale, so it might not be that anymore. But yeah, here's the stand as we said. Let's go put this together. Alright y'all, we're back. This is my room unlit simply just by having my blinds closed, and the sun is also on this side right now. So this is exactly what my stuff looks like. Now we're gonna turn on the light with our remote control. Focus. All right. Now we're gonna see what it looks like and do what we gotta do. Let's turn it on. All right, this is it at max brightness. This is warm at max brightness. It's really kind of yellow orangish with it because obviously it's the warm color. And I want to say that's as warm as it gets. Also remember, this is daytime, so we kind of have to deal with the sun as well. I will be putting clips in here of what it looks like during the dark, so be prepared for that. This is it at 20%. This is it at 50%. This is it at 100%. You can also manually do it with these buttons right here. See, yeah, you can manually do it with these brightness buttons and this one down and up, and then Kelvin how warm you want it versus how cool you want it. Then it tells you the 20%, 50%, 100%, and then it is your warm, your white, and your cold. And that's the remote. It is ran by 2 AA batteries that are not included with this light. The light is off to my side right here, so it's like, that's why you get this kind of shadowy effect right here, because the light is off to my side and it has a diffuser on it, so the light is a lot softer on my face. Now, what we're gonna do is turn it back down to 20%. I'm gonna turn it off. Turn it on, sorry. I'm gonna turn it to 20% and we're gonna switch to, here's warm, like I said, 20, 50, 100, just so you guys can remember. I'm gonna go back to 20. This is white. All right, 20, 50, 100, and I look great. Just really, really, really. This is the one that's most closely to outside, and you can have that outside glow inside without having to have the blinds open and all that stuff and trying to mess with the camera. So this is it at 100%, and then this is cold. So like real blue, this is it at 50 and 100. 20, 50, 100. And then so this is me pressing the Kelvin button, and it's gonna like slowly get warmer, as you can see, all the way to the warmest tone. So what I want to have it at is, well, not white, yeah, white, because it most closely, oh, the sun went down a little bit, it went behind clouds. So this is what this looks like. I'm gonna keep it on white because it's closest to daylight and I can still get that kind of daylight glow, and it looks amazing. Don't worry, I'm still gonna get it at night so that you guys can see what it looks like at night. All right, you guys, this is pretty much what it's gonna look like. This is the setup. This is everything all put together. This is pretty much what my sit down videos are gonna look like. I hope you guys are enjoying this. It's kind of bright, but that's also due to the fact that the sun is out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, do all those fun YouTube things, as well as go on over to my main channel and check out my latest video where I showed you guys my brand new apartment tour. What we're gonna be doing with this series is, I wanna do a series of starting a YouTube on a budget. I did not do that for myself, so I want to be able to do that for other folks, whether it be a gaming channel, a vlogging channel, a reaction channel, any of those channels. Y'all can use the tips that I'm gonna drop below. Make sure you guys subscribe so that y'all can tune into that series coming soon. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, God loves you and I do too. Peace.